Hey guys, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair and my able assistant Einstein, who doesn't seem to like being on camera too much. But too bad, girl. You're a big star now. Okay, let her go. All right, folks. Today's demonstration is going to be a super cool machine. Now this is there's no there's a serial number but no model number visible, and the customer sent me two of these. But this is actually, I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive that this is a descendant of the automatic radio brand, because the general design, the general shape of the unit from the side, the type of connector it uses, the fact that it has this cool front panel head correction adjustment. It all really smacks of automatic radio, really high quality gear. Now this unit, this is an 8-track player, needless to say, but there's a little surprise that it has also, and I'm going to save the surprise for near the end of the video. So let's go ahead and pop in some Bonanza guitars and make sure this thing is working right before we send her back. Bonanza guitars, here we go. Switch tracks a bunch of times. You got your cool track indicator that moves across. That's another automatic radio feature. Let's just take a quick look at our output meters, make sure we've got both speakers working, and we do. Work our balance control, left, right, left, right. Make sure our tone control works. Okay, there's that. And needless to say, the volume control works too. Okay, now let's just mess with this head adjustment. If you're getting a little bit of crosstalk from a tape that was recorded out of alignment, all you gotta do is just turn this control. And the effect that it'll have right now is that you just get a little bit of volume change, because the head's moving up and down within its range on track 2. So generally, where you get the loudest music is where you're also going to have the least amount of crosstalk. That's not always the case, but usually. So I've got the head adjusted to where this little black locator here is facing in the center. So let's switch tracks a few more times. Now, I promise you guys there will be a surprise, and there definitely is a surprise. This cool 8-track machine will also play 4-track tapes. Yes, 4-track tapes that don't have the roller, they just have a hole. This unit actually has the roller built in, and it'll play 4-track tapes. Now, 4-track tapes only have 2 programs, so we will be listening to programs 1 and 3. It'll still switch to 2 and 4, not automatically, because 4 tracks, I don't believe, had a provision for automatic track change. You had to always change tracks manually. And so 4 tracks only have 2 programs, and for this machine, it would be programs 1 and 3 would be used for the 4-track. So let's pop in this 4-track. Got some Herb Alpert. Now we're on program 1 right now, and we're going to switch it once, and we'll get like kind of a weak. See, we're only getting one side because we have to go to program 3 to get the other side of things. And I kind of picked a bad tape to use as an example, because this tape has a trumpet all on one side. Let's go ahead and switch programs again, and of course we have to switch twice for a 4-track. Just to take a quick meter check, make sure we're getting output on both sides. which you can see we are. Alrighty, so we've got both an 8-track tape and a 4-track tape playing really nicely through this fine gem. And I never did mention who this comes from. This is from Carter in, I don't have his location offhand because his file is with his other units in the warehouse. So this unit is for Carter. And thank you for your business, Carter. And I'm going to get out of here and move on to the next job. Maybe watch a little TV. You just never know what I'm going to do. Given a little bit too much freedom. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track or maybe even a 4-track player, either for home or car use, you can reach me at 928-533-9666 for service. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, digital capability now. I can maybe double the number of FM station presets and even add an aux input. Isn't that cool? So my website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.